Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect CoinDCX to TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so off the bat, you cannot directly connect CoinDCX to TradingView at this point in time for trading like you can with supported brokers. And now why is this? So basically CoinDCX does not appear as a supported broker inside the TradingView's trading panel. So their integration is chart only. So inside CoinDCX, not account linking, the other way around. So meaning you can use TradingView charts inside of CoinDCX. So if you head over to CoinDCX, it basically already uses TradingView charts. So go to CoinDCX, then open up any trading pair. You'll see TradingView tools, indicators, drawing, etc. built in. So go ahead and just use those tools inside of CoinDCX. That's the easiest way. Now this is easy, a bit easier too because there's no setup needed. And now this is best for beginners as well.